Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. Today we're going to be installing our adjustable upper control arm on our 2005 Mustang. All right, the first step to the install is removing the back seat. Next, we're going to remove the single bolt in the back seat. When installing the control arm, I like to add another jack underneath the differential for added support. So now that we're underneath the car, we're going to remove the two more bolts. Okay. Oh, she's out. So now we're going to reinstall the G-Force adjustable upper control arm. It's like 3-2, so we're pretty good. Hey, there it is. Easy install. Okay, so now we got the old flimsy non-adjustable control arm out. New G-Force one's in. Now it's gonna perform much better and we're gonna be able to adjust our pinion angle easily. Thanks for watching.